So, Bruno says, when does the Christmas season start on Amazon? When does the Christmas season start on Amazon? So, what do you think, my more experienced Amazon entrepreneurs? When do you think the Christmas season starts on Amazon? I'd be interested to hear you, because I know what mine kind of is at. So lots of people saying October 1, December 1, November 20th, September, November 1, October. Carl says you've got to get your shit together now. That's something I'll come to. Nathan says Google Trends is good for this. Last week of October it starts to get busy, Rod says. February, Simon says. Yeah, well, that's not a bad idea. Mid-November, 14th November, end of September, mid-November, beginning of October, the quarter before. All right, so in my own business, the sales on Amazon start ramping up from the second week of November. Now, there is a gradual, as a lot of you have already said, a gradual uptick starting in October. But come the second week in November, that's when you really start to see, in my own business anyway, with what I sell, a big increase. Like week on week, you see a big increase, okay? Typically, I do 5 times the sales in December that I do in November. So if I do 100 grand in November, I'll do 500 grand in December. That tends to be what I'll do. And that's pretty consistent, by the way, across all markets as well, across all the markets I sell in. So, and then that runs up. So from, second week of November through to around about December the 22nd, and then my sales die in the arse. And then come December the 26th, they're actually back on, and I'm getting people, I assume, spending Amazon gift cards. That's my assumption. And January as well, I do good sales throughout January as well. And again, my assumption is people are spending their Christmas money and people are spending their Amazon Christmas gift cards as well. So that gives you a bit of an insight into my own business. And again, from what I've seen, lots and lots of you are kind of getting the same kind of thing as well. You probably are aware that Amazon has not officially announced Prime Day. However, I am reliably informed that's going to be on the 5th and 6th of October. They have not made an official announcement, but I am reliably informed by somebody who is close to that information that that's when it's going to be. So that ought to give you pause for thought about, as Carl says, getting your shit together. And you should also take into consideration, so you've got Prime Day, October 5th and 6th, but also take into consideration Black Friday, which is massive. That is going to be the 27th of November this year. And you've also got Cyber Monday, and really that's a 4-day sale now. Like that continues throughout. Cyber Monday is on the Monday after Black Friday, so that's going to be the 30th of November. So now is the time to get your shit together, and here's why. It takes, 3 to 4 weeks, no worries at all, for your factory, let's say it's in China, okay, just for ease of talking about it, for your factory in China to produce your stuff and get it ready to send out. That's 3 to 4 weeks. Factor in 5 weeks by sea freight to get your shit from China into Australia or in the USA or UK, wherever it may be. And so you're up for 8 weeks, 2 months, all right? So just the production times and the freight times is 2 months. So we are already in, August, mid-August now. So that's mid-October. So even if you started now, you would miss Prime. you would be ready for the run up into Christmas, but you would have missed Prime. So that's why, if you're new, that's why we're always badgering you, harassing you, to get your shit together and get started, because it takes longer than you think, through no fault of your own, to get your stuff organized. It just takes longer than you think, okay? So if you got your shit together today and started your order today, it would still be mid-October before it even reached your target country. Never mind customs, FBA holdups, which Richard Atson's going to talk about in a little while. Never mind all that. It would just take 2 months just for that. That's why you want to get your shit together. That's why you want to get your shit together. Then customs. Heaps of folks talking about customs as well. Of course, customs as well. That can take a week. Can take more, but that can definitely take a week. No dramas at all. And then getting your shit into FBA. Jesus. Yeah, it's 2.5 months before you've even thought about it. That it is. So now is when you want to be ordering for Christmas. Now. I mean, it's August. Now is when you order for Christmas. I spoke to Kate the other day. She has got 50,000 units of her product being sent over into Amazon, ready for Christmas. Just going over now. She's on it. She knows, well, she's got big goals first and foremost, but she knows you've got to get your shit together. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.